One of the core features of the AP Essentials to Business Central Enhanced Connector, dimension syncing. If I open up the OCR service setup screen, you'll see that under the section dedicated to GL and dimension syncing, we have support for up to 8 separate dimensions that you can sync over to AP Essentials. At the moment, we have area and department being synced over. You can sync as many as makes sense for your business case. Just choose them from the drop down here. And if I go over to AP Essentials, under the master data section, you can see in all caps, we have both area and department. If you have a dimension specified in here, and then you add a new value to one of those dimension categories, it will automatically get synced over. I'll just briefly show how that works. We'll pick our department category and update its values to include a new department. We'll call this test. And once that's saved, we will do a manual master data sync. Usually this will be on some sort of recurring schedule. But once this completes, we'll be able to go over to AP Essentials. And if I update my page, just refresh here, it'll now show the test department has been synced over. On a document, under a document type, you'll want to set up custom columns in your extraction profile for whatever document types you're using. I can show that here under the line item fields. We've included a column for area, a column for department. Each of these are using master data to suggest field values and validate the field, and they link up to the master data type that we just showed. And I can open up a document that is in the pending manual verification step. And when I open that up in Office, you can see under the line items table, there are columns for area and department. And I can do type ahead matching to show the appropriate values from each of those master data categories to help me select the appropriate values. And this concludes the dimension syncing feature.